Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy peanut salad dressing. This versatile sauce is perfect for salads, noodles, or as a dipping sauce. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You will need about 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Also, have a sweetener like maple syrup or honey ready, along with a whisk or blender for mixing. Now, let's combine the core flavors. In a medium bowl, add your 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari, which provides a savory depth. Follow this with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice to introduce a lovely tang. Finally, add about 2 teaspoons of maple syrup or honey for a balanced sweetness. These ingredients form the rich base of our dressing. With your base mixed, it's time to perfect the texture and taste. The dressing will likely be quite thick, so gradually add water, starting with 2 tablespoons, whisking until it reaches your desired pourable consistency. You might need up to 1/4 cup of water in total. Taste the dressing and adjust any seasonings, perhaps a pinch more salt or a touch more sweetener. For a spicy kick, try adding 1 teaspoon of sriracha or chili garlic paste. Your homemade peanut salad dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Drizzle it generously over your favorite green salads, or toss it with warm noodles for a quick and satisfying meal. It also makes an excellent dipping sauce for fresh spring rolls, chicken skewers, or even raw vegetables. To keep it fresh, store any leftover dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.